Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can combine videos in GoPro Quik app. So let's go and do that. Now head over to the app. When you are there, just go here to the media. Sorry, uh, like here, yes. Now we will select some videos. So let's go and do that. I will go here to my phone. And here I will find some videos from the concert which I participated in recently. So I will long press on a video. So like that. I need to find another one. Where it is? Where it is? Okay, and this one also I can add. Okay, let's say it's enough. Okay, what we can do now is just click here, make edit, if you see this blue button right below. So make an edit. Now the app will proceed, synchronize, and so on. Okay, this works pretty good now. So like that, okay, really good. Okay, so here we have another video. Okay, now what we can do is click here, you see under this line where the video goes, it's edit button, click on that like so, and now you can trim this video and you can sync with the music, so the app can actually select the best moments in the video. So you can always check that if you are okay with that. When you are happy with that, you can go to another video and you can edit this video the same as the previous one, and after you can long press on the video and you can move it wherever you want, as you can see. So with that, you basically building a timeline in this app, so you can move videos, pictures to wherever you want basically. And yeah, this is how you can combine videos. Then you have some themes and also music, which I showed you in previous video. And yeah, then at the end you can also edit length and format, and that's it. So to combine the video, just select from your phone, from your GoPro camera, and then just hit enter, and you will be redirected to this page where you can then edit a video and combine them into the one video. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.